Hello. Today I will share confusion about turquoise Parblue split-ino and Fischer and in masking birds differences. And what will be the result if we breed both birds with albino red eyes. As you can see both birds are produced from same parents. But difference in masking, one is Fischer turquoise Parblue split-ino and other one is masking turquoise Parblue split-ino. Let's describe on chartboard. When you pair up albino red eye with Parblue and offspring, you will get sometimes Fischer masking birds and sometimes dirty head Parblues. It all depends on your albino red eye. Because mostly albino red eye is personata bird. So whenever you breed any bird with albino red eye, your offspring carries masking sometimes. The next is when you breed Fischer masked Parblue split-ino with your albino red eye. It will produce 25% cremino in offspring. But what happens when you breed masked Parblue split-ino with your albino red eye? It will also produce 25% cremino in offspring. There is no difference by genetically in birds. Split-ino mean the bird carries ino gene. When ino meet ino, bird melanin reduces into yellow. It will become to turquoise Parblue-ino, cremino. So you don't need to buy a perfect Fischer masking bird to produce cremino. First, Fischer masking Parblue split-ino is expensive than hybrid Parblue split-ino. But both birds have ability to produce cremino. And also don't use same Fischer Parblue split-ino with your other mutation. Like Opaline series and any other. Because this Parblue looks Fischer but it isn't Fischer because in pedigree the albino in parents is personata. So when you use this bird with Opaline series, your offspring's result will be very poor. Birds will carry masking on head. And it looks hybrid birds. So do not breed split-ino with Opaline series. If your albino is personata in parents. I hope you guys are now cleared about dirty head and Fischer masking Parblue split-ino confusion. Thanks for watching.